Income tax notices rarely come alone. They bring multiple sections, strict deadlines, attachments, replies, hearings, and constant follow-ups. Managing all this through emails, Excel sheets, and the income tax portal often leads to confusion, missed timelines, and unnecessary pressure for CAs and finance teams. That is where WrapTax Notice Desk brings everything together in one place. Getting started is simple. After logging in or registering on WrapTax, you reach a centralized dashboard that gives you complete visibility over notices, proceedings, returns, and forms across all clients and PANs. From the dashboard, you can access the Notice Desk, which acts as a single control center for all income tax notices. Every notice is neatly listed with important details like section, assessment year, issue date, due date, and current status. Advanced search and filters help you instantly locate any notice without digging through emails or spreadsheets. In the Entity Management section, users can use the Bulk Import feature to generate summarized reports of logs, syncs, logins, and uploads in Excel format. The platform also offers entity-wise sync and universal sync options, ensuring all data, uploads, and responses are updated in real time. Users can easily view sync logs to track history and changes. When a user clicks on a PAN entity, they are redirected to a dedicated profile dashboard. This is a summarized view specifically for that entity, giving a clear picture of all activities in one place. One of the most powerful features is the timeline view. Instead of scattered information, you get a complete chronological record of each notice, from the day the notice is received to every reply filed, hearing conducted, order passed, and action taken. Everything is captured in a clear timeline. This ensures better tracking, transparency, and a strong audit trail. Through the E-Proceedings tab in the Profile dashboard, users can access notices and proceedings for each entity. All replies and responses are recorded chronologically, giving complete visibility of every section. The ITR Filed Returns section provides a detailed view of all filings. Users can see assessment year, form type, filing details, and real-time return status. The built-in timeline shows each stage, from filing and e-verification to processing and refund determination, helping manage multiple returns efficiently. WrapTax also includes powerful role and user management features. Organizations can add or remove users and assign roles such as administrator, editor, or viewer, ensuring secure and controlled access. Users can also create and manage multiple organizations and collaborate with different teams from a single account. With centralized tracking, structured workflows, real-time updates, and complete documentation, WrapTax transforms complex compliance into a smooth digital process. If notice management still feels overwhelming, it is time to move to a smarter, more organized way with WrapTax.